And we're back. Hey, you guys just watched me open the box on the Stihl FS 561 brush cutter. This is our first startup. I'm going to fire this thing up. I've thrown some Moto Mix in it, right? I love the Moto Mix, especially on a startup, a new machine. We're just going to simply fire it up and just see how this starting is. So first start, I've got my earmuffs here. I'm not too worried. I'm not going to run it. I don't need to worry about my other PPE here. So how's this startup going to look? How's it going to work? Right, it's a momentary kill switch, kill button. So it's ready to start on that front. I've got my primer right here. Take a little bit to get the fuel up there. Generally 4 or 5 pumps, right? 4 or 5 pumps. And then we've got our choke that is push and twist. Okay, so push in, rotate clockwise if I'm standing there, and the choke is set. Put it down here on the ground. I talked about the easy start that this has, so it's going to be a simple, I like to kind of put my knee on here, hand here. By having my hand here, I'm ready to squeeze the trigger and shut the choke off. So hand here, kind of set it on. I'm ready to hit it with my ring finger. What am I doing wrong? Let's prime it a little more. First start, always going to be a little harder. It was not ready to... I'm going to let it run a little longer on that choke. A little cold-blooded. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Well, as I said, I haven't started this thing yet. Ran it yet. We'll let it idle there for a minute. Kind of warm up, smoke a little bit. Get a little woozy. Okay. First start, FS 561. I can feel the powers coming. Obviously, brand new machine. I don't want to hit that gas hard right out of the gate, right? You kind of want to let it warm up. You want to break it in a little bit easy. And then, yeah, when this thing's broken in, hammer down, baby. Bring it to town and make it work. So there you go. The Stihl FS 561 clearing saw. Brought to you by Carl's Mower and Saw. Excited to see it get out there in the world and hear some feedback on what people think of this and how it's working, what you're cutting with it. What have you taken from crazy jungle to controlled vegetation, or what Christmas tree farm are you clearing trees for? We'll talk to y'all soon, guys. Thanks for watching.
Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.